Dear students, this video lesson is about the some general points related to the ideal gas equation. You all know we derived the ideal gas equation. That equation is what? PV is equal to nRT. Here P is pressure of gas, V is a volume, then N is a number of moles, R is universal gas constant, then T is absolute temperature. Let us learn the first point. When mass and the temperature are constant, the number of molecules and the temperature become constant. Since R is also constant for any gases, then according to Boyle's law, PV is equal to K. Thus, when the mass and their temperature are constant from the above equation, the system obeys Boyle's law. Then, second point. When mass and the pressure are constant, then pressure, gas constant, then temperature are also constant. Thus, by the Charles law, according to him, pressure is constant, then he says that volume is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Then according to him, V is equal to K into T, then V by T is equal to K. Then from the above equations, this obeys the Charles law also. Then, because V is directly proportional to T is there. Third point, when mass and the volume are constant, V, the number of moles and the R are constant. From the above equation, P is directly proportional to absolute temperature, otherwise P is equal to K into T. Here the P is equal to T is there. So this is explained by the Gay-Lussac's. So it also obeys the Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. So when P, V and the T are constant, then the number of moles, that the molecules or the atoms for a particular gas is a constant. Thus, the number of moles and the molecules or the atoms of one gas is equal to that of the another gas at the same temperature, same volume, under the same pressure. Thus, the system obeys the Avogadro's law. Because according to him, volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to absolute temperature. The volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to number of moles. V is directly proportional to number of moles at constant temperature and the volume. This can be explained by the Avogadro law. So this is also explained by ideal gas equations. So V is directly proportional to number of moles here. So Avogadro law is also obeys. So ideal gas laws obeys all the gas laws at condition of a constant temperature and the pressure. So this is also called as the combined gas equation. Here the combination of Boyle's law, Charles law, Avogadro law, Gay-Lussac's law. So this is called as a combined gas equation or the ideal gas equation. About the universal gas constant means about the R value. Universal gas constant is a value or the expression. Its value is about the universal gas constant means about the R value. Universal gas constant is a value or the expression that is independent of the used gas and other physical factors such as pressure, temperature, volume. Its value is about at constant pressure 1 pascal, 10 raised to minus 5 pascal means 1 bar pressure. Then temperature is absolute temperature. Temperature is about 273.15 Kelvin. Then volume is about volume of a given mass of a gas is about the 24.7 dm cube. Then it also display a relationship with the Boltzmann's constant. The value of the gas constant is 8.314 joule per Kelvin per mole is there. That is the value of the R. Then Boltzmann constant is equal to the universal gas constant divided by number of molecules or the number of atoms in the gas. Then the fixed atmospheric pressure, that is called as standard pressure. The atmospheric pressure is a force per unit area that is exerted a surface by a weight of air above that surfaces. Means atmospheric pressure means this is a force per unit area that is exerted into a surfaces by the weight of air above that surfaces. So this atmospheric pressure is calculated in various units. So the following equivalence is the most commonly used is 1 atmospheric pressure is equal to 1 into 10 raised to 5 Pascal. That is equal to 760 mm of Hg is equal to 760 torr. Means the constant pressure, the 1 atmospheric pressure in the sense in the Pascal, 10 raised to 5 Pascal. In mm of Hg, this is about the 760. Then atmospheric pressure can simply be measured by a barometer. The unit to measure the atmospheric pressure is a barometer. Barometer is balancing the weight of the mercury in the glass tube against the atmospheric pressure. Then temperatures. Temperature, it is a measure of the thermal energy of the molecules or the atoms of a substances. So this temperature too has many units as a pressures. So the relationship between these scales can be summarized as follows. So in case the temperature can be measured by the three main scales: Fahrenheit, Celsius, degree Celsius. Then if degree Celsius is given, then how to convert into the Fahrenheit? That is the equation F is equal to 9 by 5 into degree Celsius plus 32. And Kelvin scale, K is equal to degree Celsius plus 273 value. Here the K value is always greater than or is equal to 0. Here F is called the Fahrenheit, C is called the degree Celsius, then K is called the Kelvin. So I am summarizing all the gas laws. Ideal gas equation. So from the gas laws, first we will learn the gas laws and its problems related to the gas laws. The gas law is also called as the combined gas equation. Here the combination of the Boyle's law, Charles law, Avogadro's laws and the Gay-Lussac's law of gaseous volume. According to Boyle's law, P is inversely proportional to the volume at constant temperatures. So according to him, the equation becomes PV is equal to K. 1. Then in case of the Charles law, volume is directly proportional to absolute temperature. Then V is equal to K into T. Then V by T is equal to K. Then in case of Charles Gay-Lussac's law, pressure is directly proportional to temperature at constant volume. Then P is equal to K into T. P by T is equal to K. According to PV is equal to K, when T1 is equal to T2 there. Then V by T is equal to K, that time P1 is equal to P2. Then P by T is equal to K, that indicates V1 is equal to V2. Next, when either the mass or the number of moles are given, that time the ideal gas equation is equal to PV is equal to nRT. The number of the moles N here. P is a pressure, V is a volume, N is the number of moles, R is a gas constant, T is a temperature. That time the ideal gas is PV is equal to nRT.